Hey everybody, welcome to Rancho Coyote and today's project. We're going to bring down that tree.
Now what?
Well, now you're probably, there's a rope here. Pull it with the tractor. Just drag it away from the trees, it'll just fall down as I pull it.
We got to pull that thing down and cut it all up and clean up the mess and put all that wood in the wood pile. Get ready to make it into firewood. All right, here we go. Well, that's going to wrap up today's excitement. Hope you enjoyed that. Got some entertainment out of it, and hope you want to watch this again. Please hit the subscribe before you go, and stay tuned for more adventures at Rancho Coyote. All right, thanks.